Let the goddamn light work.
He's over there. Kill it! Fucking kill it!
Kill what?
That!
Oh my god. Are you big?
Fucking kill it!
You can't kill a stick.
No! Kill it!
You can't kill a stink bug.
No!
It will stink your house up.
Fucking...
It won't move. You killed it.
Open the door!
Oh my god. Where the fuck?
No, this one.
Fuck.
Or I mean, we can open that one too.
Molly!
You need to turn on the Lightning McQueen.
Who the fuck Lightning McQueen?
Fucking turtle!
Well, you didn't show me your turtle. Oh my god, that's adorable. That's so small.
Yeah.
He's the size of a Gatorade cap. Holy crap. He's alive?
Yeah, he's fucking alive. Do you not see him?
Oh my god, what if that's Jesse Turtle's son? What if it's Waylon Kid?
No.
His name is Waylon. He's a nice boy. Dude.
I honestly thought when you said you got a turtle, you got like a small one, man.
Oh, buddy.
Ooh.
Oh, look at him. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. That's why he's Lightning McQueen. Look how fast he is. Look at him go. Ready? Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy.
He's so cute.
Go, buddy, go.
Oh my god, look at his little claws.
Go, buddy, go. Are you gonna use your fucking hind legs? Why isn't he using his hind legs?
He don't have them.
Mm-hmm. There it goes. Buddy, what's wrong?
Why are you going to the stove?
He's fucking weird. Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go. There he goes. Look at him. Show us how speedy fast you are. You are Lightning McQueen, for God's sake.
Don't paint on the turtle.
Look at him go.
I thought I was crazy.
Do you want to eat from me? Are you going to eat from me?
He is so adorable. Oh, crap.
Shit. That's the second time I've done that. I got you a moss ball.
You got him a moss ball?
Yes.
How do turtles play with moss balls?
It's not. It's the, clarity and odor control. Dad, look, I got him a baby turtle for a turtle health conditioner.
Turtle health what does that mean? So
It keeps him healthy.
I thought it just made him like not be lonely. How come you're giving him more attention than Molly?
Because Molly's fucking old. She's gonna croak anytime soon.
Oh my god.
Look at her. She's sleeping. She doesn't need attention. She has food. 1 milliliter per...
It's off in 30 minutes.
This is 5 milliliters. How do I know what the fuck 1 milliliter is? Like a splash? Like a little...
I don't even know measurements.
Splash?
You think I know
It
measurements?
says add 1 milliliter per 2 gallons. Or add 5 milliliter per 10 gallons.
Do you have a measuring cup?
This is not a fucking milliliter. This is not like... That's not even a... This is literally like 2 cups of water.
And he's not dead yet from drowning?
He's a fucking water turtle.
Yeah.
He swims in the lake. That's where he was.
And so you just decided to take him out of the territory?
I didn't take him out. Abby took him out, and I rehomed him.
I'm raiding your fridge again. Why do you have monsters?
My fridge is already broken enough. Why don't you break it some more?
Oh, can I?
No.
Damn.
Look, it said mini baby. It said mini, then it said baby. So, like, he's a fucking baby turtle. Only needs like a puzzle to do lag. Molly's not gonna fucking eat that shit. I have mealworms outside. She won't eat worms.
What the fuck?
They're treats.
No, that's something you find in the back seat of my car.
Yeah, maybe these are a little bit too big.
You don't say.
Little buddy.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put a skater and put it back in.
Oh yeah, because that is what he likes to play with.
He doesn't play, he just lays there and basks in the sun.
That's what I wish I could do every day. But no.
Molly? Molly? Molly, how are ya? You like your bed?
Hold up, you gotta tell me you got them damn cheese crackers, but you ain't gonna tell your boy?
I don't fucking eat them, my grandmother.
Well, it looks like your best friend is now.
Would you like a shrimp? Is my little buddy gonna eat from me? Are you gonna eat from me, little buddy? Yeah, I won't like people shoving food in my face either. I tried my best for you, little buddy, and you don't want to succeed.
Damn.
You not like your food. It's gonna get it's getting all mushy, just like cereal.
By the way, you have any cereal?
I don't eat cereal.
Oh my god, you're not human.
Oh, look! He can jump down if he wants to.
You want to jump, little buddy?
I don't think he likes the camera in his face.
I don't think he likes the paintbrush in his face.
Is he moving?
Oh yeah, I don't think he likes that in his face.
Do you want to meet your turtle friend? Little buddy. Do you want to sit on top of the turtle?
Oh my god, no.
Shit. Little buddy. You don't want to sit on top of your turtle? Are you going to eat for me?
What the hell is happening?
He's scared. Are you going to eat some shrimp for me, buddy? Does your mouth work? Does your mouth open? I could get a goldfish for you. Might be too big. Are you a live feeder? Am I gonna have to cut the pellets in half every time I feed them to you? I gave you some nice new water and some conditioner. Do you not like it? I think he likes me.
Do you like Mama Copsy?
I think he likes me. I don't think he likes the shrimp. Or the Creole, though. You're not a good swimmer. I don't think he's a good swimmer.
He's definitely not a good swimmer.
Molly, I
Molly.
don't have any tomatoes to feed you. Does his face make you gag? She just gagged. I think your face makes her gag.
Your face makes me gag.
Thank you.
Hello, Molly.
She's not gonna peck you.
No, but you see do with her face.
Get her out. Do you know how to hold a chicken?
No, I never held.
Grab their wings. Okay, so picture this is the chicken. Look, here's her wings. You gotta go like this. You need to hold her like this.
So tightly?
Yeah, like, so you need to hold their wings like this when you hold them so they can't fly away or flap you in the face, because that fucking hurts like a cardboard cut. Molly, I can get in here with you.
Yo, I bet I could.
Molly, I can get in here with you. I got in here with Oreo.
You could really?
Yeah, it's a fucking extra large dog food.
Oh shit. Flop the coop.
Now she's gonna stay on my arm like an eagle.
Eagle.
I want to get on my leg.
Yeah.
Please don't poop on me. She's a chicken. Relax.
Should we be worried? Now I got two animals to worry about. You're the coolest chicken I've ever seen. And I saw a chicken run.
sleep.
Hey, wake up. We don't got time for that shit. Yeah, her eyes are closed. Oh, now they're open.
She's staring at you. Like whatever they... Now she's looking at me. Whenever they cock their head to the side, that means they're looking at you because they can't look straight.
They're creepy.
Like horses, they can't see straight. Not really.
Now
Molly.
I want a pet chicken.
Molly, if you poop on me, I'm going to fart in your face.
Are you okay tonight?
Yeah, why?
It's
I had a
hot.
long night at work. I worked from 12 to 9. That's a 10-hour shift.
I worked 11 hours. Cause she lay eggs.
No,
Was she neutered?
she just doesn't lay eggs. She's old. After like 2-3 years, chickens stop laying eggs. I've had her since like 7th grade.
Really?
Oreo's about to turn 5 in December.
I'm just gonna start uploading a bunch of animal videos. Turtles, chickens, dogs. What's next?
Well, we all know what happened to my cat, so we can't do that. Everyone always jokes about that.
Well, you just made a joke out of it.
You know.
Hello, mate. Oh my god. Look at those feet.
What? Your down feathers.
I know, but look at that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What is
Just
that?
pull a feather out of her.
No. Not that I know of. I mean, wouldn't she have felt it and then, like, flopped the coop or something? What is that?
Your problem now.
Oh, shit.
It's,
Probably.
from her quill. Like, because chickens shed too.
Do they really?
Yeah, they shed their quills, because that's just like it's just like our nails. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How, like, layers of our nails come off sometimes.
Oh,
Or,
yeah.
like, sometimes your nails peel.
I got one peel.
Or, like, your skin peeling, that's just her quills peeling.
Dude, I got such a bad sunburn on my neck.
Do you see those 2 long-ass feathers?
Where on her butt?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
I don't know why the fuck they're there. It's just 2 long-ass feathers.
I feel like they're fake.
They're not fake.
Obviously.
They're highly much attached to her, see? I swear to God, if you fucking shit, that's what my guinea pig used to do. If you fucking shit.
Oh, now you had a guinea pig.
This was her cage.
This was the guinea pig cage?
Yeah, she was like 8 when she died. She died a couple months ago.
And
We
you
got her back when I was in 5th grade.
Will you quit moving so damn much? I'm trying to get a good shot of you. Damn, you move a lot. I was expecting her to start pecking my hand. Oh my god, I want to touch the red. I want to touch the red.
Touch it.
I can't because she keeps moving.
She's not gonna fucking move.
Look at her ass.
Touch it. She won't bite you. She won't peck you.
What's that, the gizzard? What's up, gizzard? Yo, what's up? Oh, god damn!
What?
I didn't think I touched her face and she went flop, 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 flop.
Because I let her do
I don't want to get killed. What the fuck is that?
a
Oh,
down feather.
my god, it's so fluffy. She got, fighting now, aren't we? I got a pet chicken. Is she pooping? Is she pooping? Damn.
She squirted a little bit.
Molly Atkinson.
I wonder how my turtle is.
I wonder how my phone is.
You should go check on my turtle.
Okay. Hey, Turt, how you holding up? He's just sitting in the water like a little bitch.
Is he basking in the sun?
Yes.
Is he like under the lamp or no?
No.
Is he on this side?
He's mainly like by that fur ball.
The only place is open. What time is it?
10-12.
What should I get from Taco Bell?
I usually just get the bean burrito.
Yeah, beans is not a good call for me. Hence, my nickname is Beana. What? What?
Her beak touched my feet.
So?
I thought you were gonna bite me.
She has no teeth.
That shit's sharp though. The lines on the mouth, you know the lines.
Her beak
Yeah, that thingy.
is literally just gonna feel like a rock hitting your hand.
That hurts.
It's just fucking calcium.
The fucking calcium.
In your bones?
Well, I can't see that.
No, but you definitely can feel it when you're calcium deficient.
I don't even know what that word is. Deficient.
Lack of something.
Yeah.
Like, I have an immune deficiency. Lack of auto bodies in my system.
I think no, you had lack of auto body. You know, the auto body repair shop in Bethalto. Affordable tire. I know, I'm hilarious.
If we get Taco Bell, I'm not putting on shoes.
You don't have to go put shoes on.
I need to go change my outfit.
Are they allowing customers in or no?
I don't fucking know.
Why must you move every time I freaking touch
She's
you?
a chicken!
She needs to learn to cooperate with
Her
my...
head moves whenever I'm walking with her and holding her.
She needs to learn to be cooperative with my hand.
I really gotta fart.
Like fart, damn it.
Have you talked to Leah about my farts? It's gonna smell like the whole house and the garage.
I haven't even talked to Leah
I
that
will
much.
never fart in front of Ashton. I never farted in front of Eli, and I was with him for like 5 years.
Have you even farted in front of me yet?
I don't think so.
I don't remember.
I'll fart in front of Leah and then I'll run away. But it's different with a girl, you know? It's different with like the same gender.
Yeah.
Or like your cousins, like it's different. Like family.
Damn nice. Oh! Oh my god, he's right back at me! I've been trying to be a friend! You gotta make me like that! Man!
Why are you so scared of the chicken?
He can go touching me! Motherfucker chicken!
She's sleeping!
Carol, door open! She don't like me, obviously. But... Oh, shit! Who's calling me? Who the hell is this? Hello?
Hey.
Hi?
Can you hear us, Jacob?
What?
Can you hear us?
Yeah?
Haley, let me tell you a funny story. No, I don't. No, for real.
Give me the phone.
So, what happened?
She... Why is her name unknown? What? I'm so confused.
Who is this?
Okay, you're my mom. Say you're my mom.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Who is this?
Destiny?
Why are you talking to my son?
Jeez. Hmm?
Hello?
Hello?
This is my son's phone.
Look at Sabrina. Hi, Molly. Yeah, you like that, don't you? You just doing like to do that.
I'm about to fart.